Hey everybody, this is Miss Florida Hot Picks here giving you guys another Pick 3 video, and today I want to share with you the workout for Ohio. I'm using the 317 rundown today, and I want to show you where you guys might want to start looking to find some potential hits in your state. If you guys are looking at this and you're in another state trying to get ideas how to use and how to look at the rundowns, definitely stay tuned, okay? So we'll start with the very first example from February 14th midday. There was a hit of 284. We put it into the 317 rundown. Now, for those that don't know how to count one out, they're really simple. You're just going to add each one to the columns. Okay? So for instance, we would add 3 all the way down. So 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 3 is 8. 8 plus 3 is 11. Only use your ones place for lottery math. 1 plus 3 is 4. 4 plus 3 is 7. 7 plus 3 is 10. Only use your 0. Okay? 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 3 is 6. 6 plus 3 is 9. And 9 plus 3 is 12. Use that too. Okay? You would do the same thing. You would add 1 all the way down the second column and 7 all the way down the third column. Okay? Now, what am I liking? Pay close attention when you guys are seeing doubles on the left side. Okay, so I'm going to do that right now. I'm going to find our first set of doubles, which is 1 1, and then we have its mirror 6 6. Now, what's the mirror number, guys? The mirror number is the same number in lottery math. It's just its opposite. Okay, so when I say mirror numbers, make sure you guys jot this down in case you need it. A 0 could be a 5, or 5 could be a 0. Okay, 1 could be a 6, 6 could be a 1, 2 can be a 7, 7 could be a 2. 3 can be an 8, 8 can be a 3, 4 can be a 9, and a 9 could be a 4. Okay, so now what they're doing is they are selecting the mirrors, okay, and then they're selecting one of the numbers that are in between the mirrors as a combination. All right, so for instance, you see this 7 2 or this 2 7, they would either they would have 2 7 4. 2 7 3. Okay. If you look at your mirrors, always give yourself an option in case they want to use this part of the rundown. 2 7 or 7 2, 7 2 9, and 7 2 8. Okay. I'll just put 7 8 2. I'm sorry about that. Okay. Well, just looking at what we have here, just using that particular pattern. The hit was on February 15th evening, 742. We have it as 274. Ooh, excuse me. Okay. 724. And 724 is also this way. Now see that? Now here's another trick to maybe even decide if you want to eliminate even more numbers, even though they're just 4 numbers. This 724 repeats mirror 422. You see how it repeats itself? That's another hint, Ohio. Pay attention, okay? So if you need to figure out like maybe which one, if you're trying to narrow it down to get it down, will it always work perfectly like that? We'll see, okay? But at least, hey, you got it narrowed down to about 4, depending if they continue on with this pattern. And I hope they do. I really like this for you guys. I really do. All right, let's move on to the next example, and then we'll roll out with the prediction, okay? So on February 14th, the hit was 176. We put it into the 317 rundown. The first thing we're going to look to is the left side. We're looking for our doubles. We have a 0 0, 5 5. All right. Now, again, I noticed they like using the mirrors. Okay. And then one of the numbers in between. So I would go 163, 162. Down here, I would go 167, 168. Okay. All right. And just looking at what we have on February 19th, just a few days later, evening, 261 hit. 261 hit. We have it right here. You notice something? It repeats exact. This one it mirrored 422. This one it repeated exact. That's another way you know that was hot. Okay. All right, so let's roll out with this predictions. On February 19th, there was a hit of 261. I noticed exactly there was doubles on the left side. So we're going to go ahead and then we're going to roll out with our predictions. Okay. So again, I like the 9-4. We'll go 9-4-1, 9-4-0. Then I will go down here as well. 9-4-5, 9-4-6. Okay. Which one actually repeats? That 4-0-9. Okay. And that 9-4-5 repeats. So you might want to pay close attention to those. Okay. Well, that is all I have for today. I hope that those hit for you guys. Remember, I don't guarantee hits on this channel. Definitely do your back work. Make sure that you're tracking your stuff daily, guys, so you can track your patterns. Okay. Now, will these work with left side mirrors? Test it out. Test it out. Okay. But I do like them for the doubles on the left side. Okay. Well, that's all I have for today, you guys. I will see y'all on the next video.